Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
Start by opening the operation log and locate the error code and timestamp immediately. Next, read the accompanying error text for clues about file paths and affected items. Confirm your account has proper permissions to access source and destination files before retrying the task. Check available disk space on both ends and compare used versus free bytes. Identify any network interruptions, packet loss, or timeouts during the run. Finally, note whether antivirus or firewall software logged a block. If permissions caused the error, run the operation again as administrator or with elevated privileges. Free disk space to resolve file write or temp file failures. Aim for at least 10% free or a minimum of 5 GB. If network copies fail, test connectivity and reduce transfer size to isolate the problem. Temporarily disable antivirus or exclude the affected folders if scans cause file locks or I/O delays. Finally, retry the operation and observe the log for any changed error codes, or if simple fixes do not help, check file integrity using checksums like SHA-256 or MD5 to detect corrupted source files. Inspect system event logs for disk errors, driver failures, or I/O controller warnings that match the operation time. For automated tasks, increase application timeouts and implement retries with exponential backoff to handle transient network failures. Update device drivers and the application to the latest stable versions to avoid known bugs. When the issue persists, collect logs.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.